Doha Challah and I'm a creative director living in Dubai. So Canvas asked me to choose a piece that I could steal from the fair as part of the Thomas Crown list, and this is my choice. I chose this piece from one of my favorite galleries in London, Salma Faryani. This one's called Tekel, which means as is, and the inspiration that stems from the artist's intellectual quest and extensive research on the written word, and basically the idea that the meaning gets lost through translation. From Piaget, I picked this exquisite cuff. It's called Palm Beach Manchette, and it's inspired by the sunny side of life, the vital energy and the positive aura of the Piaget Société and resorts all around the world.